Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you the best two ways to hide photos and video on Android phone without installing apps. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your AI gallery. So I'm going to simply here, head over to my AI gallery. On getting to your AI gallery, it takes you to all the photos and video you have in the gallery. Okay, let's for instance, I want to hide one of the photos right here. I'm going to simply click on push down and it's going to be selected. You can scroll down and select as many as possible photo or video that you will likely to hide. And now, let's say for instance, I want to hide this particular video right here. So I'm going to select this and we have selected one photo and one video. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on this particular icon right here. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on hide. I take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to enable your lock pattern. Then click on next. Repeat the same lock pattern and click on OK. So a scripted changing to this stuff like that, it has been completely hidden. Okay, now the next thing we want to do here, so file as completely hidden. Now another way to simply hide your photos or video on Android phone without installing app, let's check it out. So the next one I want to do is to simply go to my file right here. So I'm going to click on here, files. It's going to load up like so. Now what we want to do next is to make sure we go to images. Then from my images right here, I can simply select any of the image that I want to simply hide. So let's for instance, I head over to my camera right here. And from here, I can simply choose one of the image right here. Okay. So I'm going to select this image right here. And having selected the image, next thing we want to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top right here. Click on that. And the next thing we want to do is to make sure we look for move to save folder. Then enter your lock pin, click on next, and it has successfully moved. We can do the same for video. We go back to the file and we go to video. So under the video section right here, we can simply choose any of the video that we would like to move to the save folder. Okay, so I'm going to simply select on this particular video right here. And I'll click on these three dots from the top. Then I'll simply click on move to save folder. Enter my lock password. Click on next. Boom. Everything has been moved successfully. Now, after you have hide all your information, your videos and files, next thing you want to see and next thing we want to do is to see how we can find those hidden files and the videos. So for you to do that, go to your save folder. Enter your lock pattern. Click on next. And you see everything right here. So this is the video and this is the photo. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is the best two ways to hide photos and video on Android phone without installing apps. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you